welcome to our next video on life skills for young learners, and today we are going to be learning probably one of the most important life skills, and that is how to make a cup of tea. So let's get started. So the first thing to say is that making a cup of tea requires you to use boiling water. So you need to make sure that there is an adult around to make sure that you are doing this safely, and you need to make sure that you are doing it with care at all times, because boiling water can burn and is very, very dangerous. So I have my kettle, and the first thing I need to do is I need to fill it up with some cold water. So I've filled my kettle with water. I'm going to make sure that the plug is on at the wall. I've rotated my kettle so that the spout is facing away from me, because don't forget, when it starts to boil, the steam is going to come up from the spout, and steam also burns. I'm going to make sure there's no cable flapping around the edge that somebody might catch as they walk past. I'm going to press the button on the kettle and hopefully it will boil. So my kettle's boiled, I've got my mug, and I'm going to find myself a tea bag. And I'm going to pop that in my cup, and then I'm going to carefully, super carefully, fill up my cup with the boiling hot water. Now you only want to go about 2/3 full. You don't add milk in first, because you need to be able to get that tea bag to brew properly. If you were making your tea in a teapot, you could add milk to the cup first, but because we're making it in the cup, you just add the water first. And then you're going to leave it to brew for around about 3 to 4 minutes, dependent on how strong you like your tea. So my tea has been brewing for around 3 minutes, and as you can see, it's a lovely colour. I'm going to carefully hold onto the handle, remembering that my tea is very, very hot, and I'm going to carefully just take a teaspoon and I'm going to swish it round just to get the final bits of tea into the water. Then I'm going to squeeze my tea bag onto the edge of the cup, and then I'm going to carefully take it off. Then I'm going to add my milk in. Now it's entirely up to you how much milk you add in. I have my tea quite strong, but it's best to always ask whoever you're making your tea for how they take it. So do they take it strong? Do they take it weak? I take it quite strong. And then obviously if people have sugar, you would add your sugar in at this point, and then you would stir it and your tea is made. So it's a total life skill to be able to make your visitors a great cup of tea. So I hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to like and share, and let me know how you take your tea. Do you have it builders like I do? Do you have 2 sugars, 3 sugars? And share with people far and wide about these videos, because we really are passionate about helping our young learners on their journey to becoming adults. I'll see you in the next video.